What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to install the Iron Cross heavy duty front bumper, and it's also a winch bumper on the 2nd gen Ram mud truck to show truck project vehicle. But before I show you that bumper, if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and don't forget to check out all the links down in the description below. Well, we're out here at Just Auto Body and Customs, and we needed to modify the bumper just a little bit, the mounting brackets, as you can see right here on the bumper. And I'll tell you why. It's because on this build we ended up going with a body lift kit on this truck to give it just a little bit more height. And as you can see, we do have the spacers right here, right there, and right there. And when you put the bumper on with the original brackets, we're going to get a 3-inch gap between the headlights and the grille, and you'll see that after we have the hood closed. But here is the bumper that we are going to be putting on. Like I said, it's the Iron Cross heavy duty one, and it's also a winch bumper. And what we did here was, all we did was cut the bracket off, and we took a 3-inch plate steel by 1/4 inch, and we welded that to the bottom of the original bracket here, and then we just put this little dovetail here on the end that was here, and we just moved that down to compensate for the lift, to give us that 3 extra lift. And we did have it mocked up already once before we undercoated the underside of the bumper. So we're just going to get this thing wrapped up, and then you'll see what it looks like on the truck. But we are not putting a winch in on it yet. And if you guys could think of what winch I should put on this truck, hit me up in the comments below. So let us get things turned around here, get things set up, and we're going to be installing this bumper.
One in this side here, Joe.
That's it.
Yeah, you don't even have to put a nut on it. Just
Get it tipped forward a little bit, it looks like. And then
Okay, very good. Over a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch gap here, that's good.
yeah. What is it, Jess?
You should be tipped forward.
Is it perfectly level?
It should be tipped forward right there.
That's Jess, always messing with us. That's all it takes is to install the Iron Cross heavy duty bumper with the body lift, and I'll take you underneath now and show you how we filled the gaps up between the headlights and the grille. Well, right now we don't have the grille or the hood closed, so here is the gaps that we filled. And like I said, this is a perfect height. This way I can still reach my headlight adjustments here, and this is almost right back to the factory height. And the same thing on this side, as you can see, just enough so this way we could reach in there and get the screws. And then now we will close the hood. And of course now I have to use a ladder to reach the hood. does not look bad at all. And pretty much, well, like I said, the only thing is here now, as if you look at the front of the bumper on how this is the bracket that we welded in here, and how it comes down just a little bit lower than the bumper, and then it actually, it's almost as like a frame extension, and you can see it on that side also. But all we'll probably do is just trim this off here so it looks all uniformed in here. Or if you guys think I should leave it on, and I'm thinking of something here now. I'm not too sure, but yeah, but the plan is to probably trim this down here and just make it, clean it up a little bit here. And that's all that it is to it. And as you can see, the bolt's on the other side there. And one thing is that inside the bolt here, your third bolt is actually inside your cab mount, right here. But I don't think the bumper looks bad on there at all. The truck is really starting to come together now. And the other side here. And I'm probably going to end up putting some LED lighting inside the holes here. Like I said, we just got to get a winch for there. Well, that's all it took, was to hang this Iron Cross heavy duty bumper on my second gen Ram mud truck to show truck project vehicle. Was just to add the 3-inch spacer in there and raise it up a little bit. It perfectly aligned everything up like we wanted to, and I couldn't be any happier with this. So if you guys also want to see more of the Iron Cross line, check out their website and check out them along with Jeff and everybody else's link in the description below. Don't forget to check that out. But I think the truck is coming along rather nice. Well, if you are new, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And if we didn't win your subscription on this video, well, maybe on the next one we will. Well, till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.